Thank you for the opportunity to apply for the position of Business Intelligence and Analytics Engineer. I believe I am a perfect fit for this role of working closely with clients and analysts to turn data into critical information that can be used to make sound business decisions. The blend of my education in computer science, extensive work experience as a data scientist, and recently earned graduate degree from UT Austin provide me with the compelling skills to help your organization reach its objectives. In my undergraduate education, subjects such as data mining and machine learning provided me with the fundamental knowledge of statistics and analytics. I worked in Tata Consultancy Services as a data scientist using R and Python to develop multiple machine learning models that cater to the financial sector. Solving problems using real-world datasets and best-in-class industry practices, I have adapted to a dynamic work environment and developed a strong work ethic. I have also developed multiple predictive models that have been used by banking firms to better understand customer behavior. Working in a big data ecosystem has helped me manage large amounts of data and also educated me about the significance of data in today's world. Besides technical adeptness, giving presentations to prospective clients and working closely with a team of more than 20 people has helped me further enhance my communication skills and made me a strong team player. Furthermore, my graduate program from UT Austin has provided me with a global business outlook and helped me hone my quantitative and subjective skills from the best faculty in the world. Studying with a diverse set of students also made me realize that the true strength of any group lies in their differences and not similarities. Subjects such as financial management and business data science have given me in-depth knowledge about using technology to improve business performance. Besides these courses, the capstone project at UT also gave me a platform to collaborate with professors and organizations in order to handle business challenges. With strong interpersonal skills and a purpose to give back to society, I believe I can contribute to your organization by sharing challenges and collaboratively working towards solving them. Thank you.